I am Mostafa Ehab, an astrophotographer, and this is my personal footage of the moon, captured through my own lens. For years, I have been chasing the moon across the night sky, documenting its craters, mysteries, and timeless beauty. Today, I will take you on an unforgettable journey, a journey to uncover how the moon was born, its connection to Earth, and why it is far more important than we ever imagined. But before we begin, if you are a true lover of space and the secrets of the universe, subscribe now, because without it, you will miss the breathtaking experiences yet to come. More than 4 billion years ago, there was no moon in the sky. Earth stood alone, a fiery ball of rock and chaos spinning in the vastness of space as destined by God's wisdom. Then, in one violent moment, a giant planet collided with Earth. From the heart of that explosion, from Earth's very body, the moon was born. Since that day, it became Earth's eternal companion. But the moon was not as we know it today. It was much closer, much larger, a blazing giant dominating the sky. Its pull on the oceans was immense, creating waves as tall as mountains, as if Earth itself was breathing heavily under its red glow. Over millions of years, the moon drifted farther and farther away, until it reached its perfect place, balancing Earth, stabilizing its rotation, and preserving its climate.